whoever having the department names with consisting of the different head counts. So it will eventually give accounting having two head count, the two different persons are using, administrator one different person, and executive three persons are there, finance six persons are there, human resource IT. So relationship between the both departments and also the, you can say, department IDs, whoever having the head counts will go easily get to understand by using the group by. Group by is a very helpful, I would say, and that will eventually retrieve all the information whatever we required at the time. Yeah, you can also see this exam. This is very good example, I would say. So I'm just calculating the minimum salary, maximum salary, average salary. I need to understand whoever having the departments will get the minimum salary, maximum salary, and also the average salary. So that I will just simply write my condition to check about whoever having the minimum salary, whoever having the maximum salary, whoever having the average salary, which consisting of the each and every department, so that I will eventually easily understood somehow to get understanding of the data, and that's would going to be very helpful, I would say. So in the group by we have so different operations we are going to be coming across. So yeah, so group by order by is also one of the good grouping mechanisms. But what will happen eventually in the order by, it will be ordered whether you need as ascending order or descending order. So if it is a alphabet like categorical values, it will be consisting of the alphabetical order. So order by is a basic group by function or aggregating function with corresponding to different columns. But order by leave as ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. So if you want to specify ascending or descending order, you have to specify. But by default, it will be ascending order. So you can see in this example, select distinct. Distinct is a keyword whoever having the unique records in this column, department ID, from employee table ordered by department IDs. I'm just ordered by the department. Let's play around with this maybe. Order by the department ID. So let's see how does order by is going to be very helpful in this situation. I'm selecting only the distinct departments. You can see it will came from ascending order. I think you can specify order by the descending order also. So that is also very helpful in the situation you want to be specified in the descending order. So yeah, this is very helpful. You can see order by head count descending order. So if you want to be specified descending order, you can see all the information whoever having head counts, it will becomes descending order. So whoever having more head counts, it will come first. Whoever having the less head count, it comes in the later part of the triples. So that you will get easily understood without filtering any such cases for the next purpose of analysis. So the SQL is very beautifully retrieve the data by using the aggregation functions such as a group by and also the order by. You will easily end up with to understand more about other concepts like joinings and other concepts with respect to that, such as a ranking and also the some different joins and also the trigger mechanisms to understand in analytics we have functions to do. So this is very interesting. I would say aggregation functions are very useful with some order by also. So you can use order by and group by at a time. This is also works well if you are trying to understand with the corresponding to the different information you want to be retrieved at the time. So let's also play around with the having. So we just now see having right in the previous classes. So what will having going to be help us? So in this example, we are going to use as having class two departments with head counts are greater than 5. You can see here departments who are having the head counts are greater than 5. So having this condition, I will retrieve the data, and I'm also doing order by descending order for the it counts. So let's try out this maybe little more deeper into the analysis part. So if I click on these execute, it will give as a result to get the count of the employee ID along with the head count is alias to corresponding to the employee ID. Count of the employee ID is what we had, and will be grouped by the department name and will be descending order. Whoever having the head counts is greater than 5. So you can see all the people having the greater than 5, which having the department name called finance, purchasing, sales, and shipping, so that I will get easy information. I would say easily I will get the information so without analysis in the data with corresponding to the different kind of things. So SQL is one of the major tool to retrieve the data corresponding whatever the information you require to understand and also the taking the business decisions corresponding to your company. And yeah, you can also use group by with the minimum and maximum average to get some of the salaries, a minimum average or maximum average kind of the salaries. This is also very helpful, and we will also get to understand how does this going to be very helpful in terms of department IDs also. So we'll see this inner join, outer join, left outer join, so we can see this little bit later. And just for understanding, SQL group by is very helpful to get to into the more specificness for the grouping functions. Similarly, the multiple columns you can also operate with the group by. Currently we are using only the department ID for the existing examples what we had, but you can also use multiple different columns like such as department ID, job ID, department name, so that you will be eventually end up with so different columns to try to understand by using the group by. So you're just to group by the job title and the department name. You can see it will came the ascending order, whoever having corresponding to the A value, whoever having corresponding to the A value like that. So some of the cases it will be works out. And what will happen eventually if you use any kind of the keywords in the SQL keywords, you cannot be repetitively used for the alias. It will be throw error because you're not going to allow to use keywords. Suppose you are going to be used as a between as a alias, so it won't accept at the time let's also try that maybe. Yeah, so if I use instead of head count I will